This is an easy-to-follow animated background tutorial, made using Adobe After Effects. No plugins required. As long as you have a basic understanding of the program, you can make this. Let's begin. Open After Effects and select New Project. Create a new composition. Rename comp to Wiggle Background and adjust comp settings as follows. Set width to 1920 pixels, height to 1080 pixels and time 20 seconds. Adjust time to suit, then press OK. Create a new solid by going to Layer, New, Solid. Rename solid, background color, and press OK. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. In the search bar, type in Fill. Select the fill effect, and then drag and drop the fill effect onto the background color solid layer. Go to the Effects Controls panel, click into the red color box. Pick a color of your choice. Once you've selected your color, press OK. Go to Composition, and select New Composition. In New Comp Settings, rename Comp to Icon. Set the width and height to 500 by 500 pixels. And press OK. Set monitor to 100%. This will make the window bigger, therefore, making it more usable with the pen. Go up to the Tools menu and select the Pen tool. You can press G on the keyboard for the pen shortcut. Click on Fill Options in the Tools menu. Select None, and press OK. Select Stroke Options. Select Solid Color, and press OK. Set stroke width to 8. With the pen selected, start to draw your desired shape in the icon window. For this I made 5 points, with the 5th point joining onto the first vertex point. Go to the Pen tool. Click and hold on the pen symbol, and select the Convert Vertex tool, or hold down the Alt key as a shortcut. Adjust the points to curve them by clicking and dragging the points. Go back to the toolbar and select the Pen tool. Alternatively, you can press G on the keyboard to shortcut pen and make any needed adjustments to your shape. When you have adjusted your shape to your liking, go to the Align panel window. Center the alignment vertically and horizontally. If you can't see the alignment window, go to Window on the top menu and select Align. Select the Wiggle Background comp. Go to the Project panel and select the Icon comp. Drag and drop it onto the timeline above the shape layer. Select the icon layer, and press the drop-down arrow to reveal the transform properties. Select the scale property, and adjust to the desired size. I chose 37% for mine, but you can scale yours to suit. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, and type in Tile. Select Reptile. Then drag and drop the Reptile effect onto the icon layer. With the icon layer selected, go to the Effects Control panel. Here we will adjust the Reptile settings as follows. Expand right 4000. Expand left 4000. Expand down 4000. And expand up 4000. In Tile Settings, set tiling to brick. Now we are going to lock in our preview windows. Go to the top of the preview window and click the padlock symbol to lock it. Double-click the icon pre-comp layer to go into the icon composition. Once in the icon comp, click and drag the composition icon tab at the top of the preview window panel and drag it to the side of the window, highlighted in blue. Release the button and lock this preview window like we did in the wiggle background comp. On the icon layer, select drop-down arrow to reveal the transform properties. Here, you can adjust the scale and rotation properties. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Type Wiggle into the search bar. Then select the Wiggle Position preset. Click and drag the Wiggle Position preset onto the icon layer. Under Wiggle Position, set Wiggle Speed to 1.5 and Wiggle Amount to 70. Under Transform, set Rotation to 3. Go to the Effects and Preset panel. Type in Fill. Select Fill, then drag and drop it onto the icon layer. With the icon layer selected, go to the Effect Control panel. Click inside the red color box under Fill. This will open up a color box window. Here you can select the color for your icon shape comp. Once you have picked your color, press OK. Select the icon layer and right-click. Go to Layer Styles and select Drop Shadow. Using the drop-down menu, go to the Drop Shadow settings. Click inside the black color box. A color pop-up window will appear. In the color window, select your chosen color and press OK. In the preview panel, you can play a preview of your animated background. If the preview panel is not showing, go to the menu bar, select Window, then Preview. Once you have watched your preview and are happy with it, we can export the project video clip. Go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue window, click on the Output Module setting. Set video format to QuickTime and press OK. In the Render Queue, select Output to, choose where you want the video to save, and the name you want to call your rendered video file. Click Render. Download the Lollipop and Cherry PNG files from the link in the description box and import them into your project. In the project panel, select one of the PNG images, then drag and drop the PNG into the timeline above the shape layer. Turn off the shape layer by clicking the eye symbol to the left of it. This will hide the shape layer, leaving only the PNG image visible. Select the PNG layer and press R on the keyboard to open the rotation properties for that layer. Adjust the rotation to the angle you want to place it. Press V on the keyboard for the selection tool. Click onto the PNG image in the comp preview window and reposition the PNG if you need to. Select the Wiggle Background comp. Select the icon layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel, and turn the Fill effect off, by unticking the Fill FX box. Congratulations! You've now completed the tutorial for an animated motion background. This is such a versatile video project. The icon layer can be used for shapes, PNGs, or text. Have fun with this motion background by playing around with the color fills and various images. Happy video making, smiley face.